friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Toad from Mario Kart, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started with the top of the head, and right in the center here we're just going to draw a curved line directly across. Let's frame in the side of the head. Coming in on this line on the left, we're going to round this out, curving this over, flattening that out for the cheek, pulling that into the center. We'll step in on that line on the right as well, replicating that, blending that in together on the bottom. Let's round out the top of the mushroom here. So coming down on the left, we're going to curve this all the way around, tucking this over, flattening that out, again, pulling that into the top. And then to the right-hand side of that, again, curving this around, bringing that back in on the side. Eyes, so stepping over from the center to the left, we're going to draw an oval. And then we'll move across to the right, lining that up at the same height, replicating that. Now above, we're going to draw in a small oval for the highlight. And then we'll just color in our eyes black. Let's come down for the mouth. So on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the smile. And then dropping below this underneath, drawing in a nice big curved line, connecting that together. For the tongue, we're going to arch that in the opposite direction, curving that down on the right. Let's add in the pattern on the mushroom above. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a circle. On the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a half circle. Now let's move down. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a small arch line for the top of that steering wheel. Let's come through on the left hand side. So on a diagonal, we're going to curve this around, tucking that in for the first finger. We'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Moving down in the center for that center finger, just curving this over and through again. And now let's move up one more time. So following this on a diagonal, curving this around and in. We'll end that at the same width as the line on the top. Now let's continue to round out the elbow. So back on this line on the bottom, we're just going to curve this around and in towards the cheek. Now let's close off the jacket here. So on the inside, we're just going to curve two small lines that come up to the top. We're going to step over, rounding that out, curving that in. And then one more time as we step over, rounding that out to the shoulder. Let's draw on the bottom of the steering wheel. We're just again curve this line across. And then we're going to draw in a sideways oval, pulling the thumb in underneath. Let's come down, drawing in the top of the cart. So leaving a small gap, we're just going to curve this line across again. Moving up, continuing the steering wheel, drawing in a half circle right in the center. Let's draw in two straight lines on the left and right hand side. And then now as we come across, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines coming in towards the thumb on each side. Now on the left and right, we're just going to curve this line down on a diagonal, replicating that on the right hand side as well, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off with a curved line. Let's round the side out. So on the left and right, we're just going to round this out, flattening that out. We'll end this at the exact same height. Now let's move down, bringing this line over. And then again, just on each side, rounding that edge out, ending that at the same height as the line on the outside. Let's add in the details here. So on the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw in a little strip. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on either side. Let's draw on the small mushroom here. So again, another arch line right in the center. Closing off the face underneath, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line. Let's draw on the mushroom top here. So we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, tucking that in on the right. In the center, let's draw in another circle like we did on top. And now on each side, we're just going to draw in a half circle. Let's draw on the eyes. So on the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw in a small oval, coloring each one in black. Let's add in the rest of the details here. So coming down on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this down, arching that around, pulling that back up. Stepping across on the right, let's replicate that again, bringing this down, curving that, arching that back through. Let's move underneath. We're going to curve this line in. We're going to continue to imagine this comes underneath, curving this across to the right. And then again, one more time, just pulling that over. Let's come up on each side. We're going to curve this out on a diagonal here. Let's round the edge out. So we're going to curve this over, pulling this back in. And then now let's close this off on the bottom with a nice long curved line. Let's step up. We're going to add in a small detail line here, curving this in on each side. Let's continue to bring that through. So we're just going to curve this in all the way, mirroring that line on the top. Let's add in the petals now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line coming out, curving that, tucking that back in. We'll line that up at the same height on the right, replicating that as well. Let's draw on the shoe above. So we're going to curve this over and in, rounding that down. Replicate that on the opposite side, rounding that back in. Now on the bottom, again, just curving this over and through. And then underneath, we're just going to draw another small curved line, tucking that down. Let's draw on the exhaust behind. So on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this up on a diagonal. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round this out on the top, tucking this back in towards the side of the head. And then now from that, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line, tucking that down to the arm. On the top, let's add in a curved line. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we move down. So we're going to do that 2 more times in the middle. Now let's draw on the wheels. So we're going to come down on the bottom for the bottom of the tire, curving that across. Now on the side, let's arch this around and through to the top, sort of in the middle there. On the inside, lining that up at the same height, we're just going to continue to curve this back down. Let's round this out on the very top. And then now from the inside, we're just going to curve this back down on the front. Now from the inside, curving this around and down. Let's add in the tread here. So we're going to curve this down to the bottom. Let's step across in the center, replicating that again. We'll come through underneath, curving this down on the inside. And then one more time further out to the left and right, just bringing that down to the bottom. Now on the top, we're going to bring this over and in to the middle. And then finally, let's just draw on our back tire. So curving this back through, ending that at the same height. Lining that up at the same height, we're going to step in, tucking that down. Let's round this out on the top with a curved line. And then from the inside, we're just going to pull this back down on the bottom. Now from there, we're going to curve this up and in. In the center, let's curve this line up, following that through. Let's step in again, curving that out. And then one more time, tucking this all the way down. And that is it. That's how you draw Toad from Mario Kart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.